The next storm, unlike the previous one, is definitely going to be producing significant snow for at least some of us. We kind of know that going in. The question with this one is going to be the rain-snow line. Now, right off the bat, I want to tell you this is not going to produce as much total precipitation or as strong a wind as the last storm, and the tides are no longer astronomically high. So we are catching a few breaks, relatively speaking. But let's remember that our coastline has already been significantly impacted, obviously, by the last storm, still having time and trouble really recovering for what's already taken place. So there's a lot to really consider, and we'll develop this as we go along tonight during, of course, our newscast. 43 degrees in Boston now. That was after getting like a half to an inch and a half of snow overnight last night and first thing this morning in many communities. But, of course, the temperature jumping up kind of took that snow away pretty quickly. For the most part, it was not affecting the roads. But you still have a significant wind, 21 miles an hour, and that's the problem. I mean, that wind has never completely calmed down yet. And we've had continuous additional situations for every successive high tide. Right now, we're seeing temperatures in the low 40s on average across the region. We've had some brightening of the skies in some areas. Still getting gusts to 31 in Provincetown, 35 Hyannis, and 43 down on Nantucket. If you go west of Worcester, then the winds are quite a bit lighter at this time. And we're still getting a little bit of low-level moisture coming in with a couple of sprinkles and little showers that are flirting with Chatham and Cape Cod. All right, so as we go out in time, we'll have some clouds near the coastline tonight and early tomorrow, clearer skies to the west, and kind of a mix of sun of clouds during the day tomorrow. So that's not a big deal. Now let's jump ahead to Wednesday, because that's when the next storm starts to come on up the coast. So here we are around 7 a.m. We're overcast. A little bit of light snow breaking out in far western areas. So there could be a little bit of slippery going for the Wednesday morning commute in the central or western portion of the state. We get up to about noontime. Now we're starting to get some of the precipitation build in from the south as the coastal storm starts to move northward. But the temperatures will probably be a little bit above freezing right along the coast. So it could be wet snow, rain, or a mix of the two. But as we get to later on Wednesday in the evening commute, start to lose the brightness of the sky, get heavier precipitation in, it could start to have bigger road impact closer to Boston. Notice I-95 still close to a mix. I think it's going to be more on the heavy wet snow side, but this is some really heavy snow that moves into Hartford and Springfield for the evening commute and then moves northeastward. And notice how Boston is right on the edge of either heavy snow or heavy snow and rain mixed. So we think that the heaviest total snowfall accumulations will be to the north and west, but not thinking that Boston is going to escape this time in terms of snow accumulation as it did last time. Then lighter precipitation by the time we get to the morning commute on Thursday. So that's thinking right now. Now, in terms of snowfall amounts, thinking that the rain-snow line could get just up to about the I-95 corridor and lie along there for part of the storm makes it very difficult for Providence and Boston. We'll say about 4 to 6 inches, 2 to 4 just to the south. But once you get to about 128 down to northwest Rhode Island and beyond, we think there'll be a big 6 to 10 inch swath. And with elevation, 8 to 12 inches could easily be achieved in much of Worcester County and out across the Berkshires. So this looks like a heavy, wet snow. And that means because of that, that could mean renewed issues with potential power outages just due to that alone. In terms of the wind with the upcoming storm, there will be significant wind, especially Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night. Then the winds will start to taper down Thursday, especially in the afternoon and evening. Again, not as much wind as the last time, but still could be enough to cause some additional issues. So there you go. We've got impact weather for both Wednesday when the storm gets underway, but the peak of the storm will probably be from about the Wednesday evening commute to late Wednesday night, tapering down during the Thursday morning commute. So that's